Hey, this is Simon Chan, and have you ever felt stuck, not knowing what to say to your prospects? You want to invite them to the business, but you're worried that you're going to be too pushy or you're going to ruin the relationship and they're going to run away from you. Well, today I'm going to share with you a simple script that's proven to work. It's worked for many of our purpose-driven networkers. But before I share that with you, there's 3 things that you don't want to do. Okay, when you're inviting, when you're approaching people. So the first thing is you have to know that we're not out there to convince people. We're in a sorting business. You want to sort quickly. Your whole purpose is to collect a decision, whether someone's open-minded or not. Second thing is you don't want to waste time. People are saying no. You do not want to waste time because, number 1, you're nagging them. You're gonna ruin the relationship. And 2, the timing is not right for the prospect, right? I'm sure there's a time in your life you were not interested. So if they say no, you move on, but you can come back to them later on. Number 3 is you also don't want to be stuck in relationship building mode. Like always building the relationship forever, for weeks, for months, without the invite. And the script I'm going to share with you, you can use it anytime, and the person is not going to feel that you are just using them for the business. Now, here's what you do have to do, right? And why this works is, number 1, it has to be short. Have you ever gotten a long message? If you get a long message, what happens? You're probably not going to read it, right? So your message has got to be short. It's got to be something a 10-year-old can understand. Simple. Because you're using complicated words, what happens is people are going to say like, oh, this is too hard for me. I can't do it. All right? So third thing is you can't be pushy. You can't be pushy because otherwise you're going to ruin your relationship. Top networkers, top leaders, they collect friends. They want to expand their network. Number 4, you want to create curiosity. And number 5, you always want to give a prospect a way out. So a way out meaning like if they say no, they're not going to feel guilty or they're going to feel weird. Okay, that's what non-network marketers is given the profession sometimes a bad name, right? There's nothing wrong with the profession. It's the network marketers that give the bad name because they make the prospect feel like if they don't do it, then they'll feel bad. They guilt them, right? And so you can't do them. You have to give a person a way out. So here's the script. You ready? Just say this to your prospects. I'm working on something exciting. It may or may not be for you. Would you be open to taking a look? Simply, just like that. Okay, so let's take a look at it again. I'm working on something exciting. It may or may not be for you. Would you be open to taking a look? There it is. I want you to send that out. It's proven to work. Our purpose-driven network is our community. They use it all the time and gets results. Why it works? Number 1, it's short. A 10-year-old can understand it. It's not pushy. It's not like you got to look at this. You have to look at this. It creates curiosity, right? I'm working on something exciting. And it also gives them a way out. It may or may not be for you. Because your prospect may say, it's not for me. I'm busy right now. It's like, no worries. Maybe some other time you can follow up with them. All right? So it works really well. I'm working on something exciting. It may or may not be for you. Would you be open to taking a look? I want you to send out to 5 prospects today. Send that out and go out there, have a positive impact on someone's life today.